This is a Honda Ridgeline Extang Trifecta installed. When you lower the tailgate, you're able to access your cover by simply pulling down the handle from either side. And when you pull it down, you can fold the cover along the truck. The Extang Trifecta has really great weather sealing on the side. It has a steel corner bracket that keeps the frame strong, and it's simple to use. You can strap this cover in here and drive with it open, and it has really good padded hinges. When you lock the tailgate, this cover is secure, but this Ridgeline doesn't come with a tailgate lock, so you have to do that aftermarket. Pull the clamps on both sides, and it grabs onto the rail. Close the cover, stuff's secure.